to start drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
We're into the last 10 matches of our day. This match could also carry consequences for our Alliance selection. 6391 over on red is currently ranked 5. 4256 Cyborg Cats on blue, ranked 8. Coming out of Autonomous, that score 26-16, slight advantage to the Blue Alliance. Cyborg Cats now working to cycle Coral over there, lining up to score on L4 for 5 points to the Blue Alliance. Their partner 10317 CIA Robotics dropping off an algae in the processor, where it will be picked up by the Red Alliance human player and shot up into the net for 4 points. The same thing now repeating again with CIA. That third Alliance member over on that Alliance, the Cashew Chickens, over at the Reef, just reached up to L4 and scored for 5 points to the Alliance. Cashew Chickens looking to do it again as they line up once more. Red Alliance continuing their scoring. Red Alliance member 4329 Lutheran Robotics attempting to line up on L4, but having a bit of trouble quite getting fully lined up. Their Alliance partner 6391 Ursuline Robotics working to still score as they crank on through. Their elevator goes up and they drop off a Coral, if they can, which they will, on L3 for 4 points. Seem to be that Red Alliance seems to be adopting the strategy of 2 Coral Cyclers and an Algae Cycler. As 7747 Hancock High Tech lines up with an algae that is on the reef, trying to launch it off. Now turning around to go and possibly collect it if they can. They lower that wheel rack, approach the algae, and bring it under for its use. 90-68 at this point towards the Blue Alliance. 45 seconds to go. 7747 Hancock High Tech scoring a second algae into that processor, trying to make it 3 as they pull from the deep cage zone. 9428 Cashew Chickens spinning their intake wheel for the algae, pulling one off the reef, opening up more spaces for Coral scoring and points. 10317, that's CIA, using their unique system, the pneumatic clipper to try and score Coral, but we have entered the end game with the sonar pings. Cyborg Cats in the air, CIA Robotics parked with them. That could be an RP if they keep it that way. As we count down to 5 seconds, Ursuline Robotics comes into park. Their Alliance partners both rushing in to join them as time expires. And this match going to the Blue Alliance with a score of 140-134. Blue Alliance taking home 5 ranking points. Cyborg Cats moving up to number 7 for a possible ranking going into the